VRCO Xcraft XP4. In a state-of-the-art, luxurious eVTOL aircraft, the VRCO Xcraft XP4 can whisk you away to new heights. Electric power propels this four-seater aircraft, which has four ducted fans that can be tilted to facilitate vertical takeoff and landing. The XP4 is a private plane for well-off people who seek the independence and convenience of flying their own plane. With its roomy interior and cutting-edge control panel, the XP4 is an aerodynamic marvel. The XP4 has state-of-the-art safety measures such low-altitude crash prevention systems, a ballistic parachute, and detection and avoidance technology. An anticipated 60 minutes of flight time and 184 miles per hour cruise speed are features of the XP4. In collaboration with the Spanish engineering firm CITD and the solar catamaran manufacturer Silent Yachts, VRCO of the United Kingdom is developing the XP4. The XP4, which aspires to represent the pinnacle of luxury eVTOL aircraft, is scheduled for certification in 2024. EXENEO Vision Gran Turismo. Combining four separate modes of operation with the refined Italian style, the EXENEO Vision Gran Turismo is a concept vehicle. Anyone who appreciates taking their vehicle on adventures in all sorts of settings, from metropolitan streets to rural paths, would love this item. The EXENEO can reach high speeds of up to 380 km per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2.5 seconds thanks to its hybrid system, which is capable of producing more than 1,200 horsepower. Also included in the car is a crystal spherical cockpit that wraps the driver in an aluminum and carbon fiber tape, creating an environment that is futuristic and comfortable. The EXENEO is a highly customizable vehicle that offers an exciting and unique driving experience based on the needs and preferences of the user. This product is the culmination of Italdesign's vision and imagination. Hyundai X CES 2022. The Hyundai X at the Consumer Electronics Show 2022 is a demonstration of Hyundai's vision for the future of mobility, which is characterized by the expansion of human potential and capabilities using robotics and artificial intelligence. Concept X, an unmanned excavator that is capable of operating autonomously in tough situations, is one of the cutting-edge smart construction solutions that Hyundai provides. Additionally, Hyundai presents its inventive personal mobility gadgets, such as Elevate, a walking car that is capable of traversing any terrain, and New Horizons Studio, a platform that produces revolutionary vehicles for the metaverse. Both of these devices are displayed at the event. At the Consumer Electronics Show 2022, CES, Hyundai X is more than just a display of products. It is a statement of Hyundai's dedication to move things beyond human imagination. High-altitude Venus operational concept. One audacious attempt to study the planet Venus is the high-altitude Venus operational concept, HAVOC. Using lighter-than-air ship, HAVOC would float in Venus's upper atmosphere, where circumstances are more Earth-like, instead than aiming for the surface, as most missions do. The HAVOC mission would begin with automated airships, then send people into Venus's orbit, and conclude with a 30-day research expedition in the clouds. Intense sun radiation, corrosive sulfuric acid clouds, and complicated airship aerodynamics are just a few of the obstacles that HAVOC would have to overcome. However, there are several advantages to HAVOC as well, including less radiation exposure, stronger gravity than Mars, and shorter trip times. Thanks to NASA engineers researching and evaluating the viability of this risky endeavor, HAVOC has gone from being a mere concept to a possible reality. The goal of HAVOC is to take solar system exploration to unprecedented heights. Volkswagen Hover Car. One such futuristic vehicle is the Volkswagen Hover Car, which can float effortlessly on top of the road. It can fit two people in its donut-shaped cabin. The road network has electromagnetic fields that power it. The vehicle is capable of detecting and avoiding collisions with other vehicles. Additionally, it has the ability to convert between automatic and manual modes, providing the driver with the choice to either use a joystick for control or allow it to navigate itself. Imagine a fun, eco-friendly, and effective way to get around town with the Volkswagen Hover Car. The People's Car Project, an online forum where Chinese consumers may voice their visions for the future of transportation, was the inspiration for this creation. Out of this initiative came 3 ideas: the hover car, the music car, and the smart key. An innovative innovation bubble, the hover car is more than just a vehicle. Citroen Autonomous Mobility Vision. Visualize a world where getting around town is easy, quick, and fashionable. Picture a future where a variety of services and experiences are available for you to pick and choose from. Imagine a world where environmentally conscious, shared, and autonomous transportation is affordable and accessible. An innovative idea for city transportation called the Citroen Skate has been conceptualized by Citroën, Accor, and JC.co. The 3 distinct pods, Sofitel En Voyage, Pullman Power Fitness, and JC.co City Provider, offer a variety of services on our modular platform. The Citroen Skate offers everything you could possibly desire, whether it's a comfortable and cozy place to unwind, a place to work out while listening to music and viewing holograms, or even a mobile bus shelter that links you to public transportation. When it comes to reimagining transport in cities, it's the golden ticket. CarShane. The 2-wheeled electric car, known as CarShane, is a futuristic vehicle that has the ability to balance itself like a hoverboard. In addition to being the creator of the first hoverboard and a great number of other groundbreaking items, Shane Chen is the one who came up with this idea. Within the cabin of CarShane, which is shaped like a pod and features a huge door at the front and a luggage compartment at the back, there is space for 5 passengers. At high speeds, the wheels of CarShane are enormous and have the ability to react to the motion of the body as well as the driving power. This allows the car to remain stable and secure. The regenerative shocks that CarShane possesses are also capable of converting the dampening energy into electricity, which is then used to charge the battery. In order to revolutionize urban and highway mobility with a 2-wheeled vehicle that is both environmentally friendly and fuel efficient, CarShane is an idea that is both distinctive and forward-thinking. HAPSMobile Lithium. The Sunglider, a stratospheric drone that is capable of providing wireless communication services from the sky, is powered by a cutting-edge battery pack called HAPSMobile Lithium. HAPSMobile Lithium makes use of lithium metal cells, which, in comparison to traditional lithium-ion cells, have a higher energy density and a longer lifespan. HAPSMobile Lithium is able to endure the severe circumstances that are present in the stratosphere, which is characterized by temperatures that can plummet to -60 degrees Celsius and a very low atmospheric pressure. HAPSMobile Lithium is a revolutionary innovation that makes it possible for the Sunglider to soar for extended periods of time, thereby offering connectivity to locations that are inaccessible or affected by natural disasters. When it comes to the high-altitude platform station, HAPSMobile Lithium is the most comprehensive energy solution available. Popup Next. Popup Next is an innovative take on urban transport that fuses the advantages of flying with those of driving. An air module, a ground module, and a passenger capsule make up the 3 parts of this modular system. Sleek and roomy, the passenger capsule can carry 2 adults plus their bags. Attached to the capsule and used for driving it on roads is the 4-wheeled ground module. The capsule is lifted into the air and piloted by the air module, which resembles a drone, the Popup. Next technology allows for seamless and flexible travel by switching between ground and air modes depending on traffic and destination. Popup Next is more than a car. It's a service that links riders to a system of shared mobility. It will alleviate traffic and air pollution in urban areas thanks to its autonomous, electric, and environmentally friendly design. With Popup Next, the possibilities for urban mobility in the future are endless. Chevrolet ENV. A concept vehicle from the future, the Chevrolet ENV integrates electric propulsion, autonomous driving, and internet connectivity. Intelligent, nimble, and environmentally conscious, it is created to be an urban transportation option. Being a Chevy ENV is like having a friend at your side. Your tastes, wants, and emotional state are all detectable, or you can just sit back and let it take you anywhere you want to go. Interacting with pedestrians, traffic signals, and other vehicles is within its capabilities. You can summon it to come to you or let it park itself. Joining a platoon of other ENVs or fitting into small areas are also possible. Either clean electricity or wireless charging can power it. Feelings of joy, pride, or astonishment can wash over you. For a more convenient, secure, and entertaining lifestyle, look no farther than the Chevrolet ENV, the pinnacle of personal mobility. Not merely a vehicle, the Chevrolet ENV is a work of magic. Renault Float. One such future vehicle that challenges the status quo in terms of both mobility and social interaction is the Renault Float. This vehicle, which resembles a pod, is capable of manipulating magnetic levitation to float above the ground and go in any direction without requiring a turn signal. Float users can also join together with other pods to create a communal bubble where they can converse and share stories. For all intents and purposes, the Float is more of a gathering place than a mode of transit. With its adjustable opacity, the see-through glass facade may cater to the individual tastes of its passengers. With the Float app, customers can hire, summon, or personalize their pods, all from the convenience of their smartphones. Imagined as a futuristic vehicle, the Float lets passengers experience weightlessness while forging thrilling new connections with one another. Wind-powered cargo. One method of transporting products across oceans is wind-driven cargo, which uses the wind's inherent energy to propel cargo. It lessens the need for fossil fuels and their associated emissions, making it a more cost-effective and environmentally responsible transport option. To propel themselves, wind-powered cargo ships harness the power of the wind using sails, kites, rotors, or turbines. In addition to wind power, some of them can be equipped with hybrid engines. The idea of wind-powered cargo ships is not new. For millennia, sailors have utilized these vessels for exploration and trade. But new innovations and technological advancements have made it more dependable, efficient, and flexible to various kinds of cargo and weather. Because it integrates the advantages of sustainability, economy, and tradition, wind-powered freight has great promise for the future of international trade. SkyWay technology advantages. A transportation network that goes beyond what the Earth can provide is known as SkyWay. Supports hold up a set of steel wheels that roll on string rails. SkyWay is a green, quick, and secure option. Its top speed is 500 kilometers per hour, and in a vacuum tube, it may reach 1,250 kilometers per hour. Without harming the environment in the process, it can traverse any landscape, from mountains to seas. Affordable, dependable, and efficient, SkyWay is the way to go. Construction and operation expenses are lower compared to more traditional forms of transportation. It is automated with intelligence and runs on renewable energy. Congestion, pollution, and the exhaustion of natural resources are all issues that SkyWay aims to resolve. SkyWay represents a future where people may travel and converse in utmost comfort, ushering in a new era of civilization. Introducing a whole new level of global travel, SkyWay is an innovative series of links. Australia Vertiports. Imagine a future where you can hop on an electric air taxi and soar above the traffic, reaching your destination in minutes. A future where you can access remote areas with ease, without worrying about roads or fuel. That future is closer than you think, thanks to Australia Vertiports. Australia Vertiports is the leading vertiport specialist in the country, providing consultation, design and acquisition services for CASA-compliant vertiports. Vertiports are dedicated airports for eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft, also known as advanced air mobility aircraft. Australia Vertiports is transforming regional Australia's transportation with sustainable vertiports that prioritize eco and economic sustainability. Using cutting-edge technology, Australia Vertiports is building a brighter, connected and eco-friendly future for all Australians.